we're going to make some Mexican flag enchiladas. Step is to assemble these bad hombres, and what I've done is I've cut up some onion. I have cut up our white cheddar cheese into squares. I've opened our enchilada packets and our cheese, and I've set up a little assembly line here. We've got one for chicken, one for ground beef, and one for pulled pork. And the next thing we're going to do is get our tortillas ready. Now, a lot of people will fry these to soften them up just for like a second or two in a hot fry pan. I'm going to avoid the oil and pop these in the microwave. They've got like 4 or 5 tortillas. We're going to put it in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Enchiladas are all assembled, but it doesn't look like the Mexican flag yet. So here's how we're going to do that. We're going to do it with the red sauce.